Fotor is one of the most popular online photo editing and graphic design tools available today. From editing photos to creating beautiful designs, Fotor provides a wide array of features aimed at both beginners and professionals. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate even if you're not a tech expert. On the homepage, you will see several options including Photo Editor, Graphic Designer, and AI Art Generator. The most prominent feature is its online photo editor, which offers a wide range of tools like cropping, resizing, retouching, and even batch processing for quick edits. The AI tools offered by Fotor are definitely a standout feature. The AI Photo Enhancer, for example, allows you to enhance image quality with just a single click. There's also an AI background remover that effectively isolates subjects without the need for meticulous manual selection. These features are especially appealing to users who want quick edits without compromising quality. On the design side, Fotor includes thousands of templates for social media graphics, posters, logos, and more. The drag-and-drop functionality makes customization simple and efficient. However, it's worth mentioning that many of the more advanced templates and features are locked behind a paywall. You can still get a lot done with the free version, but the paid subscription, known as Fotor Pro, unlocks more high-quality resources and functionalities. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Performance-wise, Fotor generally operates smoothly, but depending on your internet speed, some of the more complex operations, like AI-powered enhancements, can take a few seconds to process. The platform is mostly web-based, but there is also a desktop version for more extensive editing. One area where Fotor could improve is its export quality for free users. The final output can sometimes appear slightly compressed compared to the original. Additionally, while the interface is intuitive, the occasional pop-ups prompting users to upgrade to Fotor Pro can feel somewhat intrusive. Overall, Fotor is an excellent choice for quick and creative editing. The combination of AI tools, easy-to-use templates, and standard photo editing features makes it versatile and accessible. However, if you're looking for advanced editing capabilities, you might find the free version somewhat limiting. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.